Hi. So, good day, everyone. So, uh, on the concepts that we talked about, this is 7 coding project ideas from beginner to advanced projects. Yep. So we started with the first one, to-do list, and I said we'll not just do the simple one. We'll go for the big ones, So, using the ideas we gathered from the last video, so I did an iteration that you're currently watching. So let me just go through it. So the first one was large and it produced some very interesting designs. So I decided the second one to pick a design from Behance. And this is beautiful. I love the glassmorphic effect. I love the way the buttons look like. It looks as real as possible. So I collected this and I pasted it on the app. Then what else? So I made basically everything I needed to be very simple. So I said dummy login page. You're looking at the dummy login page. I said to-do list. I said with Kanban drag and drop features. I said timer for starting and stopping, resetting the goals. I talked about special board for breaking down large. That will be maybe in the future. Then I talked about completing for writing completed to-do lists, editing features, dashboard charts, starting progress counting. So that's exactly what I sent it. So it picked the design. It said neon, gaming inspired UI, smart animations, glassmorphic effect. So this is the demo for. So you don't need anything to. So this is how it created it. Then it did the animation for the background. It did the drag and drop. This is the Kanban for the drag and drop. Then we have the tax cards with priorities indicators. Then it had the timer features. This is the timer features. Then it has the tax breakdown section. Then we had the styling, dark navy, hot pink, the smooth transmission for over effects. Let me show you. So if I shift this, let's see how it looks like. It's looking more like one of those apps you see on or you download. Then talked about so it had the first iteration. It made an error, so I told it to resolve it. So it fixed it, and then I told it some of the missing things that was there. Kanban drag and drop, weekly and the likes. And then it did that. Then it did the drag and drop effect. Though there is a bug. That's the beautiful thing with these things. So, but the bug is this. If I click this, you can notice it's, look at what it says. New tax moved to tax 178 whatever, but we don't get to see it. Same thing with this one too. So more or less like it's deleting it, and we don't get to see it. So thank God we are developers. We're not just good. So it can be fixed. So these were the iterations that eventually give us, I think we had like 6 or 7 iterations before it gave us this. So this is a very good place to start. Alright, so that's the update. Then for the backend, I plan not to just use Django alone. So I'll do Django REST framework, I'll do Fast API, and then I'll do Spring Boot. So I'll send the what do you call it, the link, so that we can participate. It will be tomorrow evening. So then we can build the backend as well as the front end. So connect that backend to this front end, and I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful ride. So yeah, that's the update. I'll send this link so that you can check it, you can explore it, you can also clone it. Exactly, so you can clone it. I can send the GitHub that is for it. Let's see. Let's view on the GitHub. So I'll make the link available so that you can explore. This is just the front end part. We'll do the back end. There we'll build as developers. So yeah, that's the update on it. Thank you for